asked you to send me your best rockets, and I received an absolutely insane number of blueprints. Some of these were absolutely epic, others, not so much. There's going to be working tanks, a rocket that can get to Jupiter, a rocket that can reach light speed without using engines, and even a rocket that doesn't launch. Okay, maybe not that one. You don't want to miss this, so keep watching. Now this is where we left off last time. We got Space Shuttle No DLC by Captain Chicken. Here it is. Let's launch. Is this what's supposed to happen? I don't think this is what you're supposed to do. Let's try that again. Launch. It's going into the air, and it's taking the entire platform with it. No! This is not a space shuttle. It's a ground shuttle. It only flies into the ground. My entire game is just completely freezing. Crashed into the surface. I think I survived. Next up we have Game A Crasher. DLC in fuel, no college, then no heat, then hard clip. It's called Game Crasher. Should I run it? You know what? This is it. Alright, it's called Game Crasher. I wonder what's going to happen when I run it. I think it's crashing my game. That's why it's called Game Crasher. Stop it! Next up by Cameraman Titan. A dumb astronaut I made with DLC, and I don't have DLC. I don't know how I made it. What? Okay, so he calls it a dumb astronaut. I mean, 3, 2, 1, launch. Okay, it's not really flying all that fast. In fact, it's not flying at all. Why are these the rockets you guys are sending me? Oh, this one looks promising. These are not the same two rockets. Where's the custom launch pad? This is an entirely different rocket. Finally, a single good rocket, and you put the wrong link? How could you do this? Let's try out this one instead. Launch. Wait, what? One of my engines exploded. Well, at least the other two seem fine. Now where are we going? The moon? Mars? Ohio? No, not Ohio. I think I'm making it to orbit. Speed up time. Oh, this orbit is going to be so clean. Okay, it's not that clean. We're still way further away here than here. Now I'm in a perfect orbit. Let's deploy the satellite. Wait, there's two satellites? This is a second satellite. Well, this was the first rocket that actually worked. Next up, no description, but it looks pretty good. Launch. I've never seen a rocket in this shape. What are these little fuel tanks doing over there? This is such an odd rocket, but it is working. Reach 10 kilometers. Oh, we're getting into orbit. Out of fuel. Boom, out of fuel again. I think we might be able to get to Mars, right? First, we need to leave the Earth's gravitational field. I need to do this really carefully, because even 1 meter per second too much, I will get lost in space and I will, die. Alright, I'm getting really close. Wait, hey, where are you going? I'm in orbit of Mars. Let's get to Olympus Mons, the highest mountain in the solar system. But landing on a mountain is also the most dangerous, because like, what if you fall off? You just roll down the mountain. Deploy the heat shield. The scariest part of any journey is the entry into the atmosphere, because one wrong move and you just vanish into flames. And Olympus Mons may be where I land. It may be where I land. It may also not be where I land. Oh no, that was really close. If I had pressed one wrong key, I would have just... According to the stages, I have a parachute somewhere, but I don't know where. What? It was inside me? I did it. I didn't reach Olympus Mons, but I did reach this tiny hill. This is my first jet. Hope you like it. I don't think this is how they make planes in real life. When I went on vacation, I didn't have to wait for the plane to tip over. Yeah? Going to the air? Yes, it's flying. It's a working plane. No, no. Okay, this one is quite scary to fly. And now let's land the plane. Oh. Average EasyJet landing. Challenge completed, liftoff. But I didn't complete the landing challenge. Wait, there's parachutes? So I'm supposed to fly, and then when I've had enough parachutes. As long as some of the passengers survive, that's good enough. Like, what are the dead passengers going to do? File a complaint? It goes faster than the one in your video, referring to the fastest rocket ever I made. 3, 2, 1, launch. This is your attempt at challenging my fastest rocket ever record? You know what? I'll speed up time, and then it looks like we're going really fast. 4,000 meters per second. Not bad. Didn't I go like 9 million meters per second? You were this far away from beating me. No hate though. Next up, we have this. So on one end, we have the rocket, but what I'm interested in, can we... No, we cannot launch the entire tower. Guess I'll have to launch the rocket then. Oh, no, 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 no. Wait, quickly. Emergency landing. No, don't die. Okay, I survived. This went so terribly. All because I flew into a tower? What? Let's try that one again. Let's first wait for these things to disappear. Launch. Okay, this is much better. Oh. Was that supposed to happen? I don't think that was supposed to happen. I feel like we're no longer going upwards. What happened? Launch. Don't. No! I'm sure this is a really good rocket if you know how to use it. Next up, by smart person, my Ariane 5 rocket. Is that like related to Ariana Grande? The Ariane 5 is actually notable because it broke a world record of the most payload weight gotten into orbit at the time. Let's see if it's just as good in game. Now the Ariane 5 was meant to get things into orbit, so that's what I'm going to do. Or at least what I'm going to try. With how bad my skills are, you never know. No, no, it's rotating. Why is it pointing back towards the ground? Okay, I did it. I got into orbit. Let's detach and see what's under here. Is this like a satellite? A probe? I accidentally deployed the heat shield. It's not like there's much heat here that I need to be protected from. Next up, by SFS Starship, a rocket that launches 2 satellites per launch. Wait, this rocket, this link, is this link. So the rocket that we already played, which I thought was mythological, is actually by SFS Starship. 2 people posted the same link to the same rocket claiming it was theirs. SpaceX landing legs. Okay, this is it. We already have a 415% fuel, of course. Now let's launch. Okay, it's going up, but we're not here for the engines, are we? The rocket is called SpaceX landing legs. Oh, that's pretty cool. Next up, by Order 560, we have, can anyone tell how to download this blueprints? That's not a rocket. Capybara Space Launch System, nice name, can send very bug payloads, like actual insects, anywhere in the system except Mercury. I mean, it's very strong. Mass, 15,000 tons. Now it can get anywhere but Mercury. So let's go to Saturn. Where is Saturn? I thought the solar system had 8 planets. Let's get to Jupiter then. Okay, so with our current trajectory, we should just like smash into the planet. I don't know if that's a smart idea. Probably not. So now let's see if this works. It did not work, but we did get to Jupiter. We got a tank, so we can drive around. But can we also shoot? Oh, that's such a powerful shot. But does it actually destroy stuff, or does it just look cool? So here we have a second tank, and here we have the first one. There goes the entire tank. Wheels are flying into the air. The entire tank has been destroyed. Oh, and now my tank has been destroyed as well. We got by Apex 001 what appears to be an airplane. Only it's rotated wrongly. Airplanes usually don't stand on the tip of the nose. Oh, in game it's actually normal. I think it's working. Yes, we're flying. Now. Oh, we're going into the air. And can we also shoot? It's like a machine gun. I think my game just froze. We got by someone. We got a fighter jet. This one goes to the left. I mean, of course that's possible, but for some reason I've never seen that before. Everyone always makes rocket and planes that go to the right. So let's fly left. I mean, not much flying is happening. We did move to the left. We just didn't fly. I think no heat damage is necessary. It's a fighter jet, so we should be able to launch these bombs. No, get back here. I don't want to go inside the bomb. And now that we've dropped our 2 bombs, can we land? Yes. I mean, only a wheel. Oh. More than just a wheel got destroyed. This one looks interesting. Made by the country of Germany. Capable of sending you out of the solar system. But it looks like this. It's on the ground. Not much is happening. Oh, something is happening. How is it going so fast? No heat damage. How does this work? It doesn't even have an engine, it goes up. This trajectory, it's going straight out of the solar system. This thing goes really quickly without an engine. That's pretty cool. This looks like a funny rocket. Okay, so if we just turn on the engines, it's driving. I wonder if this is just like a car or if it eventually goes into space. Oh, we started taking off. Okay, let's try that one again. This should work. We're going into space, and now I'm going to go as fast as I can horizontally and land. Oh, why did it destroy all the wheels specifically? Next up, we have this thing. This is like a troll face moment. I open the rocket and my game just crashes. The 10 devil emojis that were reacted to this certainly make me think that, but I'll try it out anyway. So far, nothing bad has happened. Oh. Okay, it's just a lot of wheels and a lot of heat shields. Oh, the wheels are starting to escape. Now we can do a cool experiment. We build a new rocket. I want to know how big of an area it clears when you launch. So you can actually see like the radius in which it cleared all the wheels. That's pretty interesting. Next up we have Space Station RIP Phone. That sounds a bit worrying. This one is big. It's so big it doesn't even fit on the screen at the most zoomed out resolution. Okay, it's here. It's kind of falling over. So this is a very nice space station. There's only one problem. It's not in space. Right now it's a ground station. This rocket is titled OMG, it's juice. What? Now I'm interested. What is this? I don't know if there's anything this thing can do. Of course, I can deploy the solar panels. That's going to make the difference. Why are you guys sending me these rockets? Next up, we have this rocket titled a normal rocket. This doesn't look very normal to me. I don't think this is a normal rocket. Let's launch it. What? Why is the fire going straight through it? Why is the fire coming out at the top? Is it going to burn? Why is the fire going straight from the bottom to the top? That's not how engines work. Oh, it's already out of fuel. But look at how fast it went. It went fast enough to reach escape velocity. That is awesome. By the sus robot, we have one of the fastest rocket ever. Name Magnet. There's no way this works. Maybe no gravity? What? Yeah, I think this no longer works. Next up, launch it horizontally. So what is this supposed to do? Oh, we can do this. And then, what are these temperatures? Minus 2 billion degrees Celsius? What? I don't think that's physically possible. But let's check out what happens. What? We got launched. And we also died. No collision damage. This time it's going to work. Oh, we're going so fast. Deploy the parachute. I don't want to die. What? Why is it spinning so fast? I don't understand anything that's going on here. It's not even falling down. It's just staying here in midair. What is this rocket? Yeah, now we're finally stopping. And still the temperatures. This was a unique rocket. And then by plastic, like just the material in general, we have a homemade star. So what we do is, we first need to get to space. So the idea is, if this is in space, then from far away, it looks like a star. Which yeah, is pretty accurate, I would say. When you look at it from this far, it really does look like the sun. This is our own homemade star. Speaking of stars, I'm going to start ending the video because I've been recording all afternoon and honestly, my voice is starting to hurt. I've done like 25 rockets.